The teacher who learned to care for himself. Ernesto had always been the teacher who guided others, but lately, he realized he had forgotten to guide himself. His doctor's words echoed: prediabetes and high cholesterol. He tried his usual meals at home, counting on his wife's cooking. But deep down, he knew he needed a small change to protect his heart. At a friend's recommendation, he joined a small WhatsApp support group for people wanting to eat healthier. The messages were kind, encouraging, and full of small victories. One day, a friend mentioned a simple protein shake that could complement his meals and help him feel full without extra fat. Ernesto's curiosity was piqued. He learned that just 2 shakes a day, made with high-quality soy protein, could help maintain his energy and support a balanced diet. The numbers made sense. Ernesto loved clear guidance. Ernesto began enjoying the simple ritual: 2 shakes a day, combined with fresh vegetables, fruits, and short walks in the park. Every step felt rewarding. His energy improved. He even felt lighter in spirit, knowing he was investing in himself without giving up the joys of life. He realized that caring for his heart didn't mean sacrificing taste or happiness. Balance, he discovered, was the key. With every shake, every mindful meal, Ernesto felt the quiet reassurance of doing something good for himself, one day at a time. He had learned the value of small, simple steps. And if anyone wanted to explore these little changes, they could visit the Club SinRebote Online, just like Ernesto, discovering a gentle path to care for themselves.